Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix invite collaborator not working on Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your cell phone. Now tap on the plus icon in the middle. Now you need to make a post. Now I'm going to select a random picture to post on Instagram and show you. Now I think there is an issue here. I opened my personal account accidentally and this feature doesn't work on a personal account. If you're a content creator and want to collaborate on a post, then you can do it. So I'm gonna go to my public account. Now once I'm on my public account, I'm gonna try to make a post again. Once you're in the post, tap on Tag People. Here you will see the option of Invite Collaborator. Tap on that. Now from here, you can add any person as a collaborator. If your Invite Collaborator is still not working, just go to your account. Then go to Settings. And now go to Help. And report this problem to Instagram. Describe your problem in detail in written form. I'm gonna mention here that I'm running a business account and still my invite collaborator option is not working. And that's it. Hopefully Instagram is gonna reach out to you in few days and fix your problem. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.